Hello and welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Oracle database error number 01078, which is failure in processing system parameters. So after installing my database, I opened the terminal and I connected to the SQL Plus command line tool like this. So SQL Plus as sysdba, and it seems like I am connected to the database fine, but the database is not started yet. So I did startup, and this is the error I got. Failure in processing system parameters. Could not open parameter file under the home directory, the Oracle home dbs init Oracle. So I went to this location in my system, under the file system. As you can see, my virtual machine is very slow, and I went to this location. So up, Oracle, product 12, db home, and then dbs, and there is no file called init orcl.ora. So what I did is I thought maybe it's supposed to be one of these two files. So I tried to rename this one to init oracle.ora, but it didn't work. I tried to rename this one as well, but no success. Then I thought maybe one of my environment variables for the Oracle database was wrong. So for the Oracle database, I have four parameter files. Four environment variables that I have set in a previous video, which are Oracle base, Oracle home, Oracle seed, and the path variable. So for Oracle base, Oracle home, and the path variable, these are correct, and I checked them. The paths were correct. But for the Oracle seed environment variable, it is correct. In fact, I can show you the variable now. So if I exit from here and I do echo $Oracle seed, it is correct. But there is one issue. This variable, this value ORCL is in capital letters, and I remember when I installed the database, the SID was in small letters. So I thought maybe this is the issue. So I changed this variable like this. So I did export Oracle SID equals ORCL in small letters, and I ran this command. Then I tried to connect to my database again with the command line utility, and then startup, and now I have no problem doing startup or shutdown. I get no error. This error means that it is already running. So if I do shutdown, and then I do startup again, and as you can see, the database is starting up fine. So if you get this kind of error, one of the issues could be your one of your environment variable, and especially for the Oracle seed, check if it is correct, and remember it is case sensitive. I hope this has been helpful for you, and thank you for watching.